Hey, go.
You take the potato. You try to make sure you don't get any air gaps. Then you ram it down. And you take ramrod, push the potato down to the correct amount. Stick down, open up the end of the combustion chamber. Take hairspray or any propellant and spray it in for 3 to 4 seconds.
Spray that cap.
Spray the cap too. Twist cap back on. And then hit the bottom button for the spark to ignite.